Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hamizan bin Muhammad Rizwan. I'm from section 12 BMKM, and today I want to present about a part for introduction for our case study. For our introduction, the FTKM building at Campus Edu is a vital center for educational activities require, requiring effective facilities management for optimal learning environments. This case study aims to create detailed preventive maintenance checklist categorized into weekly, monthly, and yearly routine, which is it cover critical aspect such as structural integrity, electronic devices, and HVAC system to ensure the longevity of academic spaces. And lastly, the case study emphasizes the fundamental principles of comfort level management and construction or maintenance planning, which is by providing the systematical approach to maintenance, which is the checklist is aligned with the best practices in facilities management and contribute to the overall well-being and sustainable of FTKM buildings academic facility.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Izamil Norfandi, and I will continue with Academic Tool Utilization Indoor Air Quality, or IAQ. For the primary goal, is secure and efficient environment. It creates a secure and efficient work environment in FTKM building, campus indoors, laboratories, and workshops. For the second one is comprehensive AIQ evaluation technique. Conduct a thorough AIQ evaluation focusing on air circulation, pollution levels, and ventilation system effectiveness. For the third one is impact of activities on AIQ. It recognizes the influence of activities involving heavy machinery, spinning tools, and specialized equipment such as CNC. It highlights the direct impact of pollutants on AIQ and the need for adequate ventilation system. And lastly is collaborative safety framework. It engages students in a risk identification related to machinery and equipment, develop customized safety precaution for each laboratory and etc. And it's focused on specific. For the second one is I will continue with academic tool utilization failure mode and effect analysis or FMEA. It has 4 points, which is the first one is incorporate FMEA into the maintenance checklist for the academic classroom and lecture house at the FTKM building. For the second one is risk examination. Conduct a thorough examination of risks associated with key facility elements. And for the third one is obviously the develop preventive maintenance checklist, whether it's weekly, monthly, and annual tasks. And lastly is utilize the insight gained from FMEA to develop proactive maintenance program. And I will continue with the material handling study in academic tool utilization. I want to highlight 3 points here, which is the first one is conduct a detailed analysis of material movement, storage, and transportation in laboratories and workshops. It extends this evaluation to academic classroom and lecture house in the FTKM building, so that the equipment in the laboratories or workshop is more organized. And for the second one is tailor the material handling study to the unique context of the FTKM building and campus indoor as part of our focus on academic tool utilization. It is including the electronic devices and air conditioning or HVAC aircon system in academic classroom and lecture house. And last one is an implementation of checklist yearly that consolidates insight from weekly and monthly assessment. It's providing a comprehensive overview of academic spaces. And my last part is audit on building. I want to highlight a 4 point here, which is the first one is thorough audit, second one is preventive maintenance checklist, and third one is three-prong approach, and fourth and last one is regular inspection. For the thorough audit is conduct a comprehensive audit of the FTKM building at Campus Indo to ensure the optimal functionality and longevity of the infrastructure. For the second one is preventive maintenance checklist. And just like I said before, develop a detailed preventive maintenance checklist for academic classroom and lecture halls. And for the third one is implement something that we done before, which is the structure approach covering structural or architectural elements, electrical device, and air conditioning or HVAC in the maintenance checklist. And lastly is perform weekly inspection for immediate issues in structural components, whether it's monthly or weekly or yearly. The better one is we do all of them at the same time. And that's is all for me. And I will continue with the preventive maintenance. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Brisco Dimersi Jemisius, and my metric number is B0920102447. So today we're going to dive into a preventive maintenance, which is the checklist. So the provided preventive maintenance checklist reflects a strategy and systematic approach to safeguarding the FTKM building at Campus Indo. So, by categorizing tasks into weekly, monthly, and yearly interval, the checklist address key domain crucial for the sustained functionality and safety of the facility. And regular inspection and preventive maintenance are not merely reactive measure, but proactive strategy to mitigate potential risks and ensure a safe, efficient, and conducive learning environment. So as you can see here, this is a weekly, monthly, yearly, and preventive maintenance checklist. So this is the task of weekly preventive maintenance checklist, which is inspect the door windows in the classroom, check for water leaks, inspect flooring for hazard, clean gutters and downspout, check crack, inspect fire extinguisher, roof inspection, inspect windows and door, professional electrical plumbing. I mean, like the things that we need to generally weekly we need to do. So the next one is monthly. Monthly task is like to test and calibrate the AV equipment, verify functionality of the whiteboard, check power strip and outlet, which is the electronic part, clean peripherals, clean computer peripherals, test replace battery remote if any, software update for electronic device, internal component inspection, project the functionality replacement. So this is for yearly. Clean or replace air filter. This is for like a hatchback. Inspect vent and ductwork. Clean evaporator and condense coil. Check refrigerant level and drainage. Lubricant for motor and moving parts, which is a hatchback system. So hatchback system inspection and servicing, the thermostat calibration, make sure it's on the right temperature, can be controlled, and evaluate overall hatchback system. So that is a weekly, monthly, and yearly preventive maintenance checklist that we can provide for the classroom. So the adaptation of comprehensive preventive maintenance approach offer numerous long-term benefits. It enhances the durability of building components, reduce the likelihood of unexpected breakdown, and contribute to more sustainable and energy efficient operation. Moreover, it's established a sense of reliability and safety, instilling confidence in the building occupant and the stakeholder or the worker. Thanks. That's it from me. Thank you.
Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Sarvin and my metric number is B0920100354. Today, I would like to discuss about the discussion part. Regular preventive maintenance is crucial for the durability, safety, and optimal performance of FTKM buildings, academic classrooms, and lecture halls at campus Indo. This systematic approach includes structural inspections to identify issues early, ensuring safety and avoiding costly repairs. Routine checks of electronic devices maintain their functionality for smooth learning experiences. HVAC system maintenance guarantees suitable temperature, indoor air quality, and also energy efficiency. Following a detailed preventive maintenance checklist promotes a safer, more efficient, and sustainable learning environment, which reflecting the institution's commitment to high quality education. Thank you.
Okay. Uh, Conclusion. And progressive and competitive educational institution always knew that reducing cost and reducing asset scrap can bring a lot of beneficial to all around of collaborative company and human resources. So why does it common with implementing cost reduction and scrap reduction? Annual budget can be utilized to beneficial development,